Hi everyone, in this video let us see how we can sign into the Taskbot's account. So as you land on the sign in page, you will see clean and simple interface with two login options, password based login and OTP based login via WhatsApp. So by default the password option is selected. Start by entering your registered email ID and password over here, and if needed, you can also click on the eye icon over here to quickly view and verify your password before proceeding and signing in. And if you do not remember your email address or the password by any chance, you can enter your registered number over here and you will receive a OTP like you received in sign up, and then you will be in your dashboard automatically after signing in. So for now, let's do an email and password based sign in, and after that we will click on sign in. So once logged in, you can immediately begin managing tasks, setting reminders and interacting with the AI assistant right from your workspace. So that is how quick and flexible it is to sign in with Taskbot. Thank you so much for watching.